Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the error. The action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Type resmon.exe in the box and click OK. Once the Resource Monitor opens, click on the CPU tab. Now, go to the associated handles search bar and type the name of the folder or file that you want to delete. You will see some processes listed below. Right-click on one of those processes and select End Process. And click End Process. Once all related processes are ended, close the Resource Monitor. Now go back and try deleting the folder or file. It should be deleted successfully. Finally, reboot your PC to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.